All right, today I'm going to show you how to build a Burger King crown. Right here, I have a Burger King crown that was given to me by the good employees of your local Burger King. See that? It says Burger King right there. Well, I'm going to show you how to put this crown together because people have been asking me about this. So I'm going to just show you. So I got the crown, and if you look at the crown, on both ends there are things that are used to connect the crown. One is this almost triangular pointy end, and the other one is slots for this to go into. So depending on how big your noggin is, you'll determine which size that you need. And I would do this by taking your head and putting the crown around and holding it together and see where it fits comfortable, and then putting it in the closest notch. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it around my head and then found the closest notch. It seems that for me it is the smallest notch. So what I'm going to do is I found the smallest notch, and then I'm going to go ahead and slide that part in, and it's constructed, fits on my head, almost overlapping my ears, but it fits nice and comfortable. And that, my friends, is how you build a Burger King crown, how you construct a Burger King crown. I hope this is helpful. Oh, actually, I don't, because if there's more kings out there, then I wouldn't be that significant. So, hope you liked my video at least. Thanks a lot for watching.